Some dog facts sound so unbelievable that they feel made up, but every fact you're about to hear is real, proven, and backed by science. Watch until the end, because the final fact completely changes how most people see their dog. Fact 1. Your dog's nose print is completely unique. Just like a human fingerprint, no two dogs have the same nose pattern. In fact, some organizations have experimented with using nose prints as official identification. So yes, your dog literally has their own natural ID. Fact 2. Dogs can smell time. When you leave a room, your scent doesn't disappear all at once. It fades gradually. Dogs can track that fading scent and tell how long ago you were there. To your dog, the house doesn't just smell like you, it smells like when you were last home. Fact 3. Dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures. That's roughly the same level as a 2-year-old human child. This is why dogs can follow complex commands, recognize names, and even understand the difference between similar phrases. When your dog reacts to your words, they're not guessing, they're processing. Fact 4. Dogs dream just like humans. Puppies and older dogs dream the most, and scientists believe dogs often dream about their daily activities. Running, playing, and spending time with their favorite humans are some of the most common dream themes. So when your dog twitches or softly barks in their sleep, they're likely replaying their day. Fact 5. Your dog knows when you're sick. Dogs can detect tiny changes in your body chemistry through smell, including changes caused by illness or stress. This is why some dogs suddenly become more attentive or protective when their owner isn't feeling well, even before symptoms are obvious. Fact 6. Dogs' whiskers help them see their surroundings. Whiskers detect subtle air movements and vibrations, helping dogs sense objects nearby. This ability is especially useful in low light or unfamiliar environments. Those whiskers aren't decorative, they're advanced sensory tools. Fact 7. Dogs can feel jealousy. Studies have shown that dogs react differently when their owner gives attention to another dog, a person, or even a toy. While it's not exactly the same as human jealousy, dogs do experience emotional responses linked to attention and bonding. Fact 8. When dogs look into your eyes, something powerful happens. Both your brain and your dog's brain release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This is the same chemical that strengthens bonds between parents and babies. That simple eye contact helps explain why the connection between humans and dogs feels so strong. Fact 9. Dogs can hear sounds up to 4 times farther away than humans. Their hearing range is much wider, especially for high-pitched sounds. That's why your dog reacts to noises you don't even notice. To them, those sounds are loud and clear. Fact 10. Your dog doesn't see you as just an owner. In their mind, you're family. Dogs form pack-style bonds, and you're part of their inner circle. That's why loyalty comes so naturally to dogs, and why separation can be emotionally difficult for them. And here's the part that ties everything together. Dogs don't just live with humans, they evolved alongside us. Over thousands of years, dogs adapted to understand human emotions, behaviors, and communication better than any other animal on Earth. So the next time your dog stares at you, follows you around, or seems to understand you without words, remember this: it's not imagination. It's biology, evolution, and one of the strongest bonds humans have ever formed. If these facts surprised you, leave a comment and subscribe for more amazing pet facts.